So good evening, race fans, and welcome to beautiful Port Aransas, Texas, where even at night, it's sunny and 75. I jumped on tonight to, and first of all, appreciate everyone that follows my journey. I always call it a journey. It's going to never end. Some of you jump on, jump off. But anytime you jump back on, you're going to see I'm doing some crazy stuff usually. So hopefully it's both educational, but also entertaining. I don't recommend some of the feats that I do as far as the physicalities, but everybody's got their thing. I'm here to announce one of those tonight. Again, I appreciate everyone that's been following. If you follow me but don't actually hit the follow button, please do. It helps get the message out. I would appreciate that. I know a lot of people don't follow. Don't hit the follow button anymore on Instagram, but it still kind of helps. Helps keep the measuring tape out there for you. But I jumped on tonight to announce what I had announced a few months back when I canceled the rim challenge that I was about to do. And I made an announcement. I said, if I'm going to do something and replace this, it will be something even more epic, possibly longer distance. I didn't feel the need to jump out there and try to do a sub 3-hour marathon in December when the race, or I keep saying the race, but the challenge of doing rim to rim got canceled because of the forest fires in June. I was going to do it in October. I just felt like it was the time to step back. Don't panic. Don't try to replace it. Had a lot planned. Not even going to go into it. Had a lot of special things, not only in training, but just, again, the feat itself. And I'm going to have somebody follow me through it, maybe 2 or 3 people. It was going to be a really good documentary just to show how you can ramp up to something like this as a challenge of you versus you. And I tried it again 2 years ago, and an avalanche hit in December. Well, they'll clear it out by May. Never did. So that was also trying to do it a couple years ago, and then now with the forest fires. So man, let's do something else. Now that being said, those that know me, I'm not ruling out that there may be a third attempt to even get to the start line to do the rim to rim. About a 43-mile trek. Again, I felt like I could do it Monday morning quarterback, right? But it was doable in a 24-hour cycle. I was pegging about 17 to 18 hours. I was going to do it solo, but there's always somebody out on the course. There's about a 1 to 2 hour period from maybe from 1 to maybe 2:30 a.m. that there might not be someone out there unless somebody's just trying to do what I'm doing. But even then, it's very scarce, and you probably wouldn't meet at the same time. But other than that, there's always somebody out there on the course, so I felt pretty safe trying to do it solo. It got canceled. May do it again, may do it, may try to do it in May again. May try to do it in June if I do it. The reason why, if I do it, I'd have to do it at that particular time frame next year, 2026, because I'm going to announce the replacement for the Grand Canyon, because the challenge was to take a deep breath. I was really mentally psyched out for this, again, this Grand Canyon rim to rim as a bucket list event. So I just took a step back and said I'd replace it, which I knew it would. So I have signed up. I'm in the event, not a lottery. I'm in the event, and it's actually a race, number one. But it's still going to be a race against myself, not for a blue ribbon. But it's an actual race, not a give that away a little bit. And it is further. So I just said that Grand Canyon is like 43, 44 miles. So it's further distance, more elevation. Not saying it's harder. Grand Canyon had a very tight, what we call tight elevation, meaning for 43 miles, the elevation was pretty steep, up and down. This one will be too. So I'm not going to compare. You never can compare which one is harder. I'm not going to say that. But it is a longer distance, and it's a race. So this is day one. I've been on this earth 60 years as of today. And so today is day one training for this event, for this race. We're going to come back and we'll make it bigger and better. Have to. Got to make it bigger and better. I'm going to document it. Still going to be under the U versus U series. We're still a long ways out. The race is, I'm not going to give the month because I don't want anybody looking at the race schedules. But it's far enough out to where we don't want to overkill it early on. But it's less than a year out. I'll say that. It's within the time frame. It's a little tight for this to get prepared for this race. A little tight. Like, you know, everybody wants more time, but it's doable. And it's time. It's just time. It's a bucket list event. And I'll be making the official announcement at some point in time. I don't know when. It'll come to me, and it'll come to you guys when the time is right. And we'll be ready to follow that journey. And purpose in all this is to show you that the only reason that you can't do something is because you should choose that you don't want to do it. Meaning that you can do it, but you choose not to do it. But never say that you can't do it without even trying. So look at this busy street, Port Aransas, Texas. I mean, I love it. Beach town. Never want to be in a dead beach town. You need to have one that's a little lively. As I said, I'm back on the main drag. So, details to follow. This will be mostly posted on YouTube at realtoddbehringer.com is not the handle. It's at Real Todd Behringer YouTube. So we can do more lengthy training sessions, educational, as I said. Lots to happen. It's going to be fun. I'm pumped. I get more, even tonight, just with the announcement. I'm getting my head wrapped around it. At 60 years old. Again, you'll see some short clips on Instagram, but mainly this will be on YouTube. So please, if you can, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Real Todd Behringer. I'd appreciate it. Have a good evening.